Cyber Scam Review. I am Poonam and today I will be talking about FX Swift Exchange Review. The landscape of online investing is ever changing and due to high demand it gets, people always have to be very careful about the firms they indulge with. FX Swift Exchange claims to be a brokerage firm that offers a lot of hot trading instruments along with the opportunity to get involved with Bitcoin mining. The data available about this platform is scarce, but their trades are notorious to say the least. There are a few unconfirmed negative testimonials about them floating on the internet, and at the end of the day, there just isn't any clarity about them yet. Their platform looks a bit old fashioned, but there are a lot of areas they have not expressed in the correct manner, and the flaws are unjustifiable. They claim to be active in the industry from 1999 and they are supposedly associated with Gain Capital Holdings. Though the names involved might convince the majority of the crowd, you need to know that the connection between them is questionable to say the least. During our investigation, we did find a lot of confusing data on their platform, and as far as reliability goes, they certainly do not pique our interest in any way. We understand that many people are sitting on the fence about them. So to clear all your doubts and get clear answers to most of the common questions, stick with me till the end. The legal certificates are something that all brokers feature on their website in order to show to the public that they are reliable and have all the permissions necessary to carry out their activities lawfully. If any firm is giving you investment advice but for some reason is not revealing their license details, then it is a telltale sign that it might be a scam. Most of the offshore entities just feature the information about the incorporation certificate and try to portray like a regulated entity. So to safeguard your capital, you always need to verify the information that is shown to you or else down the road. It will become a big hassle. This platform shows a lot of details about the firms they are involved with and they claim to be regulated in different regions. Note, they call themselves as a brand name of Gain Capital Holdings, which is a legitimate organization. However, once you take a look at the databases of the body, they have mentioned there is no evidence to link them together. Clearly, legality is not the strongest suit, and as such, no retail investor should even consider giving them access to their funds. To fan the flames further, know that there is no creators or founders information, and that is an age-old trick used by most big investment firms. Due to the very details mentioned above, it is better to never proceed with them regardless of the offers they might entice with you. FX Swift Exchange activities. The number of sectors this firm is really indulged with are unknown, but they do showcase all the hot sectors of the financial realm on their website. Some of the activities featured by them might be appealing, but keep in mind that there are no guarantees being made by them. Moreover, the evidence is always either manipulative or missing. Crypto mining. This firm talks a lot about the Bitcoin mining in specific, but the details aren't encouraging enough for any experienced investors. For starters, the equipment they have in their firms and the location is hidden from the public. The cost rundown is not provided. There are no profit calculators to know the break-even points on the capital. Ultimately, the hedging strategies used by them are also not shown. On what basis can we trust them with your money? Forex. The data about the available Forex pairs is not available unless you sign up with them, and for obvious reasons we weren't daring enough to trust them with our information. The spreads are unknown, the swap rates are not revealed, and the conditions regarding the contracts aren't specified either. Also, we do not know whether they are ECN broker or a market maker. In simple words, their business model is not transparent and investing with them would be just like playing with fire. Cryptocurrencies. In this segment too, the data is minuscule and any day trader would find the environment to be a lot more stressful. The fee structure is not explained anywhere and the information on the asset management services along with trading signals are also not clear. There is nothing that increases the consumer confidence on the platform, and that is deadly approach towards dealing with the markets. After all, who wants to associate themselves with a broker that does not let you know the conditions associated with instruments beforehand? There are 3 investment packages offered by them. Each and every account has something unique to offer, and the capital required to get started with FX Swift Exchange is around $1,000 to $5,000. Without doubt, the initial seed amount is high compared to the regulated broker, and one has to have a strong reason to justify depositing that kind of money. The concept of risk-free trade is unclear and we have no idea about the things to expect. Moving on to education aspect, they do claim to offer training programs. Note that due to no user feedback, we cannot comment anything about the quality of the training provided by them. We explain the deposit bonus schemes later in the report, but for now, know that the terms associated with the extra money is not as good as you may think. The big mysterious things about this firm is the reading signals narrative. According to the testimonials shown by them, the performance of the signals are amazing, but no rational person would buy their story. There is no trading history shared by them. Moreover, the strategies they employ are also huge question mark. With so many missing pieces in the puzzle, are you still willing to give them the benefit of the doubt? Depending upon your capital amount, this brokerage does offer you an option of choosing matching deposit bonus. In the past, way too many brokers have used the bonus offers to trick the retail investors and compel them legally to stick around for longer. As a conflict of interest will always be present in the market, it is better to always say no to anything that is sold to you as free because it will always contain a catch. 10 to 20% is the range of bonus amount provided by them. It is undeniable that every beginner trader loves the concept of trading bonus as it allows them to aim for higher trade size and profits. However, you need to understand that it will always tangle you with ridiculous terms and conditions that will make the withdrawal process a nightmare. So think twice before accepting any kind of reward, and if you do not understand the requirement, then it is always better to walk away from the deal. The agendas of FX Swift Exchange are very hard to understand. For starters, we have no clue about the way they generate cash to sustain their model. The conditions associated with any of the trading pair they offer is mysterious. Names of the people involved with the management side are unknown. More importantly, note that even the fund manager or so-called expert broker details are unverifiable. If the trading capabilities are really that good, then why are they offering their services to the retail clients for free instead of making billions of dollars for themselves? Everything about them is strange to say the least, and as far as legality of the operation goes, they are bound to face a lot of hate from the authorities. If you have lost money to them, then get in touch with us for a free consultation. It does not matter which kind of payment method you used. We will do all the forensic work for you and share with you the actual details of the culprit along with the ways of getting your money back. Many people might be familiar with the chargeback process, but there are certain scenarios wherein they won't come to the rescue. So for quick result, it is always better to let professionals deal with the formalities and process involved. Testimonial is perhaps the age-old way of gauging the reputation of a company. The world may be going digital at an accelerated speed. However, there are few fundamental human constructs that just cannot be changed quickly. One of the main driver of success in the field of online-based business is the trust score. If the customers believe in a company, they will not only invest more but also do the word-of-mouth marketing for them. To boost the consumer confidence, the website does showcase few comments on their homepage. Just like we anticipated, all of the feedback they have featured is positive. But unlike the legitimate business, they haven't provided an easy way to verify the identity of the clients. We did run a search on them on all of the well-known forums and social media platforms. Needless to say, the results did not match the narratives this firm is peddling, and that is the sad reality. It is common to feel inspired whenever you see someone making money through trading. Nevertheless, it does not mean that it is a digital lottery that is going to make everyone rich. Simply put, get educated about the market before opening a trading account and never start the venture without having specific goals. While it is possible to make huge return in a short time in trading, there will be a lot of ups and downs in the process. Lastly, do not forget to consult a licensed financial advisor for best results. FX Swift Exchange is a platform that pretends to be some sort of upscale brokerage firm. Sadly, they are nothing more than a well-designed hustle that will attract the new buys in the sector. Though there isn't any feedback from the customer base yet, we can be sure that it will appear in the near future. The financial world offers enough opportunities every day to make decent returns. However, to make the best out of the volatility, an individual needs to have a certain skill set. Trading signals on other forms of trading tools might help you, but the consistency factor won't be present for long. If you're interested in trading, then ignore all the exaggerated and fancy platforms like this one and focus on getting real education from actual traders, preferably with long verifiable track records. Thank you.